This smile makes other to smile. Well, she is a law student and Vice President Education of Medley Toastmaster Club and a dedicated Expo member. Please help me to welcome the Smile of Medley Toastmaster Club who will evaluate Gopika's speech, Toastmaster Priyanka.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
The biggest plus about Gopika as a speaker is her confidence. All of us have seen how confident she is on stage, and I went through her previous evaluations, and they all say that Gopika is a confident speaker. So even I've seen her before, even outside Medley, when I've seen all of her speeches, I'm a fan of her speeches because she is a confident speaker. So since you're a law student, I will tell you all the pluses in your speech as follows. It's I, P and then C. So I for enunciation. So Toastmaster Thomas, what is enunciation?
Enunciation is going to say.
Yeah.
It's making things explicit with the minutest details.
So enunciation is when you pronounce each word accurately in such a way that everybody understands the depth and the weightage that you're placing on that particular word in the whole sentence. So that is what Gopika did on stage today. So when you see her speaking and when she puts that weight on that word, you know that that word is important and you understand the meaning behind her entire sentence and what she's trying to say. So your enunciation is so perfect, and that is why I was impressed by your speech. The other one is pauses, the pauses that Gopika had in her speech. After finishing a para, it's very important that you pause and let the audience, let the message sink in. So I personally, what I usually do is rush with the speech, but Gopika was able to stop at the right place, pause and let the message sink in. So that is another good point in your speech. The third one is the correct volume at the right place. So you told us that it is not important what you know, but who you know. So the volume, you raise the volume at the right place. And again, that also adds weightage and helps us understand what you're trying to say. So every speech can be improved. And if there's one thing that I would like to tell you is that you are, if I could call you one, a stern speaker. When you speak, all of us sit up straight and watch you because we know you're going to say something important. So it's there's a little bit of tension in the air and we know that something important is going to come out of your speech. But in the beginning, it was a lot of sarcasm and then you moved on to what you really meant. So when you did that, maybe you could have smiled a little or let us know, because only after a few sentences did I realize that you've moved on to this. So maybe you could have made it a little more casual when you moved on to the next part of your speech. So you can make that more pronounced by, in the beginning you were stern and you were, you know what I mean, okay. So the other thing that I would suggest is the topic that you have chosen. Maybe you could have taken a topic which has more scope for vocal variety. Although this speech itself had a lot of vocal variety, but another topic would have had even more scope. So all the best for your future speeches. I know you will do well. Over to you.